super iyakin. Pero as time goes by, ayun, nag-develop naman na yung social skills niya. So, ano siya, mabait, masungit, matakaw, mahilig siyang kumanta, sumayaw. Everything that girl, a kid girl would do. Gusto niya manicure, ayos ng hair. So very, very girly itong baby namin.
Lagi ako yung naaway niyan. Lagi yung sungit-sungit sa akin. Pero love naman ako niyan. Naman na? Do you love daddy? Ching, sana wag ka na maging masungit. And sana magkaroon ka ng takot kay God. We love you.
Mga tatlong message niya na gano'n. Binyag, first birthday, yun din ang message niya. Ang message ni Mami sa iyo ay, unang-una, happy 3rd birthday, my baby. Ang wish lang ni Mami is sana lumaki kang mabuti at laging masaya. And ang promise ni Mami, we will always be there for you. And lahat ng gusto mo, pipilitin nating kunin kasi deserve mo yon. I love you!
I think I found my happy place. This smile I can't wipe off my face.
Hi Seska! Happy birthday! Ang wish ko, sana lumaki kang mabait, masunurin sa magulang mo at malapit sa Diyos. And nandito lang lagi si Tata for you and I love you so much. Happy birthday!
Happy place. Blue sky's good, but you're my favorite.
Happy birthday, Chingay! Sana paglaki mo, maganda ka pa din, stay sweet, malambing, at alam namin na super talino ka. So hanggang paglaki mo sana ganyan ka pa rin. I love you, Ching! Happy birthday! Love you!
I think I found my happy place. This smile I can't wipe off my face.
Happy birthday, Siska. 3 years old ka na ngayon. I hope more blessing to come. And of course, tuloy ang pag-aaral. Matalinong bata. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday.
My happy place.
Happy birthday, Jessica. I love you, Apo.
Wanna just count the days down. I just
Hi, Chinday! Happy birthday, Apo. Wish you all the best in life. We love you and God bless. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Cheska!
Happy birthday, may naanak, Cheska Chingay. We love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Cheska!
Happy birthday, Cheska!